Students in S5 and S6 can choose a foundation apprenticeship in engineering as an option in S4. At the college, they are taught basic engineering skills, which will lead them onto many spheres of engineering in their future.
First of all, it was a civil engineer, and then as I progressed through this course, I got more of an idea of what I actually wanted to do, which is a machinist, apprentice, Homer Burgess.
In the workshop, they are taught basic turning skills as well as hand skills.
I used a file and we learned how to use that properly. A measuring tool, so I learned how to measure things properly.
For some students, the sky is the limit.
I looked into other types of engineering, and with the input of the college lecturers, I found aeronautical engineering. I've managed to secure a job at Airbus UK. My job title will be a mechanical and aeronautical degree apprentice.
I got a job at JCB as a service engineer apprenticeship. Without the course, I don't think I would have the skills that I needed to get the job.